Back for Custom Cruisers. Here's the old Springer. Got to put another exhaust on this beautiful Screaming Eagle 2. Got a straight through original Harley bike, thinner diameter as well, causing the problem to run it. You hear it's firing, but not as smooth as with this one. This is beautiful with the back pressure, you know. Using a new Mikuni carbon. You know, just basically cleaning everything out at the moment, which is why it sounds rough. But cracking bike, gotta admit, this bike, very cool. Gonna fit a nice pair of these Screaming Eagle 2s on, just need to get another rear. This bike came from Texas, you can see the condition is absolutely pristine. This is literally like brand new, all of it. You know, the thing's amazing. This is just my shit off my gloves, but you get the idea. Real beast of a bike. Owned by a lady in Texas, believe it or not. It's done about 5,000 miles, which is believable with the condition actually. If you look at the condition, it is absolutely stunning thing. You know, there's like no rust anywhere, you know, all this is original. So I believe it actually is a 5,000 mile bike, to be honest with you. And you know, you just listen to that motor, sweet as a nut. The popping and banging caused by the fact that the air filter on it isn't, sorry, not the air filter, the rear muffler is lifted straight through. Whereas this one, you know, obviously it's running a lot better because that isn't straight through. You know, people who think the straight through exhaust are the best really haven't got a clue. And now we've run out of fuel because the we're running a cleaner through it as well, but got to admit, it sounds bang on. Okay, so if you want some awesome bike, this will be up for sale, all fully restored with a new, it's got a Mikuni off my other bike on, which is well good. Mikuni carbs rock. New oil gauge going on here. The lights, pretty unbelievable. I possibly will refit them, not my cup of tea normally, they are pretty cool. But lights all over the thing, you know, got them under the fenders. So if you want something really different, you know, I've got to admit, this is quite a cool bike. The paint job is called Hi-Fi Blue and Silver, and it is absolutely stunning when you see the tanks. I've got to admit, this bike really is something else, but with a mere under 5,000 miles on it from new, which you can see from the condition, it is genuine. I mean, where else do you see a bike like this? There is just no rust on this whole bike. The thing is absolutely beautiful. You know, it really is a stunner. This is just me where I've had all the exhausts off to change this clutch cable for one the right size. The one on it was a bit short, so what I've done, I put new braided cables on here. This is original, and then the new braided clutch cable going through a chrome clamp, you know, goes up to the top, and that's got to be clamped on here obviously and put in the holder here. But cracking bike. I've got to admit, this Hi-Fi Blue, pretty cool. Just in time for the old skinhead. So if you're interested in a super cool bike that really is a rare bike, I'm not kidding you, these things are really fetching stupid money, especially with the mileage on this, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu if it ever gets done, God help us. The other bike that I'll be selling is very rare. This thing is a 16,000 mile FXR. Okay, this is all original, completely original bags, original screen, convertible FXR, original paint. You know, just beautiful thing. Couple of marks obviously on the black paint, always shows up, but came from Harley Davidson Motique. I think this is Davida, whatever they call themselves. But very cool old school badges. And just absolutely stunning bike. All totally original. You know, very, very rare to see one in this condition. This primary cover I will change for a new one because that's the only thing literally lets it down. The rest of it is absolutely stunning. If you look under here, like a fat boy wheel in it. I think this was an option, but got to admit, the thing is beautiful as well. So I've got to admit, we have got possibly two of the greatest looking bikes you're going to see. Great investments, the FXR as well. The way they're going up, I've seen them 10.5, 11,000 for a nice one. And this really is exceptional at 16,000 with the old school badges. Twin disc as well, which is the FXRS convertible. 1992 if I remember. Comes with a quick release screen. And if you want something that really will go up in value, this is the bike to buy. You know, the FXR is the bike that everyone's going for. And also the Springer. The Springer Softail is the other bike to buy, because those two bikes will out-accelerate anything. I can absolutely guarantee you. Anyway, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.